Energy. What is this thing everyone is talking about? Exactly what do we mean when we talk about transmuting energy, exchanging energies? What does it mean to match energy? Do we exchange energy during sex? Energy vampires, is that a real thing? What if I don't believe any of this stuff? Well, let's talk about it. If you're thinking of protons, neutrons, and electrons when you hear the term energy, of course you're not wrong. Hold that definition, that's the foundation. Now let's look at the spiritual definition of the term. According to Pythagoras, when the term energy is used in spirituality, it is referring to quintessence as the fifth element within the universe, our soul. Yes, we are discussing oneness here, the source of our existence in the universe. But some folks are also talking more simplistically about effort and the feelings we pour into people, places, or things. If you ever had to watch someone's journey over time during the dying process, you probably noticed how their energy started depleting the closer they got to death. That's because we use energy for everything, much like a battery. And in this instance, they are running out of energy. We look for ways to recharge our rechargeable batteries until we notice signs of corrosion on the battery where it disintegrates into an oxide. And something happens to the energy because we know that energy doesn't die. Hence all the talk about transmuting energy. That's the art of alchemy. Then there's exchanging energies and matching energies, which sound the same but they're not. When we project our behaviors onto others, we are attempting to exchange energies, hoping they are seen based on the energies we project onto them. And in some cases, us being seen as having their energy. Matching energies have more to do with negative to negative and positive to positive. I will treat you the way you treat me vibe. But be careful here because the law of attraction reminds us that we attract what we are. So when you decide to match energies with folks, you are lowering your vibrations. This isn't just about being petty, there's serious consequences here. Then there's the energy we exchange during sex. Now this topic requires its own post, but in short, sex is a sacred act. Blah, 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 right? I get it. You're not up for the lecture, but I want you to think about this when you are having sex with someone. You are merging energies with them. This form of energy is so strong and can be used for manifesting. That's sex magic. Sex magic opens portals into dimensions and have been around for centuries. The great rites are practiced amongst covens when in desperation and they need to tap into stronger energies. Some females will use menstruation time to do blood rituals on men. Have you ever had a relationship with a woman where you tried to break up with her 1,000 times, but for some reason you just couldn't leave? Check yourself. Be careful who you are having sex with. Also, the energy of the individuals your partner are having sex with are also at play. Energy vampires drain your energy by having you pour into their cup without them pouring into yours. In the spiritual realm, this is a bit more complex and involves rituals, altars, and sometimes practitioners to carry out the act. Because energy can be manipulated, everything mentioned here today can be altered through rituals. Those that don't believe are most susceptible to the acts because they don't know what to look out for and how to protect themselves. And please don't tell me God protects so you're not worried. You shouldn't worry, but you should take steps to safeguard your energy. God provides, but you still work, right? Just because we can't see the things mentioned in this post doesn't mean it's not real. Friends, once you tap into your intuition and you realize how you can manipulate the energies around you with your thoughts, all this talk about manipulating energy will begin to make sense to you. If you believe light exists, then you must understand that dark energies are also at play. Love and light, friends.